All data displayed or captured in Zeno Mobile One is stored in one or more layers, which are saved within a project. To view the layers in a project, tap the menu icon in the top right corner of the main view, then select Layers. To add a new layer, tap the plus icon in the bottom right of the Layers menu. You'll see several options. New Layer creates a new layer from scratch in your current project. From Project imports a layer and its features from another project. From Web Service imports a layer from the web services you have defined. You can also access the OpenStreetMap or Hexagon imagery layers from here. Browse uses your device's file browser to import a layer from supported file types like shapefiles or KML files. Let's now create a new layer from scratch. When creating a new layer, you can rename it and select its geometry. Layers created in Zeno Mobile One can have three geometry types: point, line, or polygon. Be sure to choose the correct geometry as it can't be changed after the layer is created. Attributes modifies the types of data stored in the layer. Symbology changes the symbol, style, or color of the layer's features. When ready, tap Done in the top right corner to return to the Layer Manager where your new layer will be displayed. To import a layer, tap the plus icon again in the bottom right corner of the Layer Manager. This time select Browse and use your file browser to find and import the file. Once imported, the layer will appear in the Layer Manager. Each layer has a checkbox on the left side of its name. When checked, the layer's features will be visible on the map in the main view. Uncheck it to hide the features. The coloured icon next to each layer's name indicates its symbology, which represents how the features appear on the map. For other types of layers like web services or CAD files, each has its own unique icon. The Synchronize icon next to a layer is only for WFS or ArcGIS Online layers that can be synced with a server. Tapping the sync icon next to a layer will synchronize just that layer. Tapping the sync icon in the top right will synchronize all applicable web service layers in the project. You can rearrange the layers in the Layer Manager by long pressing and dragging them up or down. This affects how the features are displayed on the map. To edit a layer, tap on its name to open the Edit Layer menu. From here, you can change the layer's name. The system name is taken from the original layer name and cannot be changed. The geometry type is also shown but cannot be modified. Attributes modifies the types of data stored in the layer. Symbology changes the symbol, style, or color of the layer's features. Filter applies geographic or attribute-based filters to limit the number of features displayed on the map. Layer info shows the number of features in the layer and its geographic extent, shown as a bounding box in the project's coordinate system. To export a layer, long press its name in the Layer Manager and tap the Share icon in the top right. Choose your desired export format from the Export As pop-up, then select a location to save it using your device's Share menu. To delete a layer, long press the layer name and tap the trash can icon in the top right corner. Confirm by tapping Yes. Alternatively, you can swipe the layer name from right to left and tap the trash can icon that appears.